Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install Blocksy Pro. Okay, before we start, let's take a look at the pricing plans and features of Blocksy Pro. So, personal, professional, and agency, you can see that obviously they come at different price points and they come with a limited amount of licenses except for the agency one. But let's go ahead and take a look at the comparison between free and pro. You can see here we have the column for free, and then everything else here is pro. And you can see that, well, first it starts off with giving us a good amount of features, but as we scroll down, we can see that we have multiple conditional sidebars, hooks, and like an easy way to use hooks, custom code snippets, different kinds of fonts, white label, the mega menu, and you can see here that we aren't able to use content blocks or custom layouts on Blocksy Free. You can see here that you can only make hooks, pop-ups, different kinds of templates, custom templates, only if you have Blocksy Pro. And you can see it goes the same for many other options. And you can check this out on the main Blocksy website. So let's go ahead and install Blocksy Pro. Okay, so we're here on our dashboard, and you can have Blocksy already installed and the Blocksy Companion plugin installed, but you're going to have to go into your Blocksy account and download the Companion Pro plugin. So let's go over here and click on Plugins. And it gives us a bunch of our plugins, and we have Blocksy Companion here. And don't worry about anything else. Just make sure to click on Add New Plugin and click on Upload Plugin. Now you're going to go in and click on Choose File and select the Blocksy Companion Pro zip archive that you've downloaded from your Blocksy account. Once you've uploaded it, let's go ahead and click on Install Now. Okay, once it's done uploading and installing, click on Activate, and we'll be greeted with this page here that makes us input the license key. Okay, all you're going to have to do now is input your license key, wait for it to verify, and now you can click on Activate License. Now we're going to be taken to the Blocksy dashboard. And you can see here that it says Blocksy Pro, and we now have content blocks. And we'll be able to make our own custom layouts from here on out. And just to make sure that we can use it, we can click on Add New, and it gives us different options for content blocks like custom hooks, pop-ups, custom templates, and different kinds for 404 pages and footers and headers and so on. So there you have it. That's how you install Blocksy Pro, Companion Pro. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.